Hey everybody! Here's the round that I made, and I really like this. I used the airbrush on this one. I love it, and it dried really, really well. And this is the one I said I will probably paint the edges black, which I am still planning to do. So that one turned out really well. And this is the one that was the split, and I had way too much paint on this canvas, and so it kind of lost that split effect. You can still see a little bit of negative space on this side, but not as much as I would have liked. So that's probably a pour over. Today I'm going to do a mallet smash. The last mallet smash I didn't like, and I ended up tilting it out. This one I am hoping will stay a mallet smash. And I'm using a bit different, I keep wanting to add yellow, but sometimes I wish this was live so you guys could give me your input. I've got this ARTEZA Rose, Pearl Turquoise, which is ARTEZA, and ARTEZA Bordeaux Red. So pretty sure these are the colors I want to use. Let's just see what yellow would look like with them. Maybe a little yellow. And this is a 6 by 12 inch canvas. I really like this shape. White paint. A lot of people have asked why I'm not using house paint anymore. The only reason is I have not been to the hardware store, to Menards. So I've just been using, when I go to Michael's, I've picked up the Artist Loft Titanium White, and it's lasted me quite a while. So that is why no house paint. So I didn't stop using it for any reason other than I haven't been to the store. And I am finding zero difference in quality of the pour, like the drying and whatnot. Because I had bought a couple gallons of, I can't think of the brand. I did a video on it, and hang on, I've got, what is it? I'm looking. It's right here. Valspar. And I bought it in eggshell. And the eggshell I don't like the finish of. It's just too chalky. So I have 2 gallons of that, and I don't like using it, which is a shame. Luckily it was buy one, get one free, but still. I suppose you live and learn, don't you? What you like and what you don't like. Today is my birthday, which I don't usually get too excited over birthdays, but it is definitely nice to have them versus the alternative. And my husband the other night, I knew he had bought me art stuff because I saw them on Amazon. Actually, he just said, leave your cart full and I'll buy it. So very romantic. So I got my gifts from him over the weekend so that I could use them. one didn't splat as much as I would have liked. There's like hardly anything to speak of going on in there. But I did manage to get paint in the other ones. Probably gonna end up with way too much paint on the canvas, but that's all right. Let's try the other mallet. Let's really go all out. Whoa, that was different. There we go. It is all over the place, but that is cool. Like all over. I don't even know why I'm trying to wipe it up. That's cool. And that will fill in, but I'm going to help it out. I'd actually like to help it out by Alright, I'm going to dip this in here. Go like there. Got a little bit of blue. I'm going to be able to leave. I wanted to make sure that there wasn't too much on there. I like it. I love that last splat. And I like the addition of the blue. It over here so I can get the camera. I just had to go a little wild with the mallet to get how I wanted it. I like this area over here. And that'll fill in. When it dries, you won't really notice it. So there is my big splat mallet splash. Mallet smash. It's a lot of words to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.